So this video is rather a sad one. So yeah, anyway, welcome back to the channel. So the way I do my video is that I collect videos, collect content, and then I will talk about it after a week or so. And now after I see this part that I'm going to be editing later on, is just not sure if you can see the smoke around me, but it's really bad. I'm a tourist, man.
Haji Lane highway traffic jam.
Hi. Rojak. Yeah, take a look at that rojak.
It was really good. We're having iced lemon tea.
Yeah. Nice iced lemon tea. Let me capture everyone here. There's Ellie.
Oh, it's there. Sorry, I thought it was me.
Oh, it's on the other side. Oh, that's Casey. That's best bartender.
Yeah.
Singapore.
Best in Singapore. It's the best. Okay, bro.
The best part timer.
Vivian, she don't come here often.
Angela.
Shindler. Shane, but I keep calling him Sean. It's Peter. Peter, you stress ah? Best step in Singapore. Documentation. Oh, this one can last for 1 minute, but it's in 4K. But small one for vlogging. I can ask Ellie.
A few moments later. Buat mari. Last train. Last train.
Please 1,000 subscribers.
Alright. Today I'll be cooking noodles. Chef.
No, it look like the Korean, then they, they wear the red thing.
Chef. Noots Masters. Day 4 of painting and doing construction. It's the demon. It all seems to be coming along. Lunch in my favorite char kway teow place. This is my professional painter. Mingalawa. What's up? Is this your vlog? Yeah, it's my vlog. Yeah, it's always good to see Burmese in my restaurant. Yeah.
Someone's painting.
Hi. So, as you can see in the thumbnail and the title, yeah, the best craft beer bar, the craft beer place, local craft beer place in Singapore have been shut down by the authorities, I would say. And yeah, one of the saddest day. And yeah, I'm gonna share a little something about the situation. So there's this place called Good Luck Beer House and I started working part-time there, and I really enjoyed that place. And yeah, now I'm doing full-time at Good Luck Beer House. And yeah, in the past few months they've been shut by the authorities for a lot of reasons, which doesn't really make sense. So anyway, Good Luck Beer House is a place where they focuses on local craft beer, where they talk about local craft beer, where they bring up so much, local craft beer brand. And yeah, it's really sad to see, like government not supporting us, but in return, us being forced to close, change brands and everything. So yeah, I mean, I can go on and on about all the details and everything, because I myself work there and I know a lot of things that are going on there. But I'm just I would rather not say that and just continue on with the video, because it would just make me bring up all the emotion like anger, sadness, or everything. So yeah, this is a place, this is a bar that I grew up. I would say I've worked there for the past I don't know, 4 years plus, because I went for NS for a while, and then yeah, before NS I was working there. After NS I went back, and now I'm full-time there. And yeah, it's just been a great place. The people there, everyone there is just awesome. And I think, so I was saying, those who have done it, those who have bring up this brand to be recognizable in Singapore, in the world. I've seen a few articles from Taiwan, Hong Kong, all those people last time when they visited us, and then they were just featuring us as a local craft beer brand. Sometimes the world just it's just not fair. But life goes on. You just gotta do what you gotta do the things that are necessary to survive. So yeah, anyway, we are still back, still at the same place, 9 Haji Lane. Still the same concept. It's just that now we're selling. So yeah, that's just it. It's kind of it's just sad to see a brand that's doing so well, that is there's the pride of Singapore when it comes to craft beer, to be shut down like that. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Anyway guys, I have so much memory down there. So yeah, as you can see my vlogs, I'm always, most of the time I'm there. So yeah, oh well, life goes on. So yeah, that's what this vlog is about. What's this, all the vlog dump or film dump or whatever you want to call it is about. So yeah, that's it. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.